Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about another Spark 143 model, and today it's the 1998 Porsche GT1. In 1998, Porsche came back to Le Mans after a dominant 7-year win streak in the 1980s. Porsche unveiled this beautiful 1998 GT1 for the long straights of Le Mans to contend against entries from Mercedes, Toyota, BMW, Nissan, and many more. After qualifying, both Porsches were starting 4th and 5th behind Mercedes and Toyota. As the race started and a heated battle broke out between Toyota and Mercedes, Porsche had their head right in that this is a 24-hour race. You're not going to win it in the first turn. But don't tell that to Mercedes and Toyota, as they were hard charging into the first corner as if it was the last. The Porsches were patient and stayed mostly out of trouble, but when Mercedes and Toyota started having mechanical issues, Porsche was right there, ready to pounce for the lead. 10 hours into the race, the number 26 Porsche GT1 takes the lead heading into the night. Le Mans is all about surviving, and if you can survive the night, you can survive anything. And thankfully both Porsches came out of the night in the lead. However, 16 hours into the race, both Porsches come in with slight mechanical issues. This means the number 29 Toyota takes the lead of the race. However, with a few hours remaining, the number 29 Toyota retires with gearbox issues. With Toyota and Mercedes out, both Porsches cruise to the finish with a 3-lap lead over the Nissans. They even take the time to do a formation pit stop to make sure everything's topped off so they can finish the race. Porsche won 2, and it's their 16th victory in their career. And here is the number 26 Porsche GT1 that finished first overall. It's in a solid white box, the gold trophy, 1998 winner. There's the car class and the description, and it's an immaculate car. And let's unbox it and check it out. And here it is. I can't believe this car is in my collection. I love the design of it. It is such an iconic shape. The swooping of the hood, the raised headlamps and the fender wells that swoop all the way back, down through the sides, around the wheel wells, and out under the wing. This car was totally designed for the long straights of Le Mans. It is elegant, sexy, and a complete work of art. The title sponsor was Mobil 1 on these cars, and the way the design is, it looks like when you're flying down the Le Mans straights, it looks like the Mobil 1 logo is coming apart and like blowing down and getting distorted and basically blowing down the side of the car. So you get these long blue and red swirls and shapes that are flying out, and it just looks really cool. I love this design. It's mostly a solid white car. Most of the livery is on the front and the sides, and when you get to the top, it kind of thins out. There's a little bit on the back. But I love how it's paired with the gold wheels, and this will go down as one of the most beautiful cars of all time. The drivers were Alan McNish, Laurent Aiello, and Stefano Ortelli. Stefano Ortelli is a legend in the sport. I think he's still racing GT cars to this day. So here it is, the 1998 Porsche 911 GT1. It's in the collection, and I can't wait to display it along with the others. If you like this video, give me a like and a follow. I've got a lot more Spark models to unbox, and I'm uploading a new video every Friday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.